Hi, welcome everyone to Wealth Wizards. This is Jagadish Chandran. Weren't the market scary for the day? We had clearly updated in a video that Nifty and Bank Nifty is heading towards the lower levels and markets more pain is left. Are we topped out and are we at the peak? These were the questions that were asked in our last video, and market showing the signs of weakness and profit booking has aggravated and broken all the key levels which were posted for the month. And trade with strict stop loss and trailing stop loss, trade management, money management and risk management would be the key for your trading success. Hope this update was helpful for traders and investors in taking their investing and trading decisions. What next? Is Nifty heading towards the 20,000 and 20,200 zones?